Hey, how you doing? This is Cody from Panetta Design Company. We're here in the studio. We're going to run over some products and exposure units that we use for our products here at Panetta Design Company. Today we're going to be doing bitmap. When we use our bitmaps, which are halftone prints, we use a specific emulsion that we get through silkscreening.supplies.com. Ryan is the one that manufactures it. It's a great hybrid emulsion. You can use it for plastic, salt, or water-based. There's not many videos out there that describe these products and really how to use them, so we want to give you guys that option. We use very beginner grade equipment here because we start out small. It's me and my brother, that's all it is. So we're going to go over some of the products. We use WBP hybrid emulsion, if you can get that there. Like I said, you can get that at silkscreening.supplies.com. It's maybe $40 for a gallon, and it's lasted us 6 months. Okay, and over here we're using a Logos exposure unit. This thing fits 20 by 24 screens perfectly. Anything smaller, you couldn't use this top part here. But like I said, we started out small. This thing maybe cost us $325 on eBay. It's UV lighting and it is absolutely amazing. We're going to get inside where my brother Tanner is printing, go over the exposure times and more of the artsy facts of it.
I'm Tanner Panetta. I'm from Panetta Design Company. You can find us at panettadesign.com. We're here in the studio right now getting ready to set up a CMYK print, which involves 4 screens, 4 colors, and all of them are halftones. So we got our screen set up here and not quite ready to print. So this is an example of what we're going to be printing. It's a very photorealistic image. That's a single color. However, the settings for that are the same as what we use for our CMYK prints. Right here we have written down what our exposure time is. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds, and those are the dimensions we use for the photos. It's 300 dpi, which is a pretty good quality photo, 45 degrees, and 40 LPI, which is, we've found to be the best solution for both CMYK prints and single color halftone prints. Alright, so we're all set up now. We have our 4 screens aligned perfectly with our registration marks matching up. That's these guys in here, these 4 registrations. We obviously covered them up with tape because we don't want them to print. So now we have them all set up with ink as well. The order of them is yellow, magenta, cyan, black. That goes from your lightest color to your darkest color. You always want your darker colors going on last. So now we're about ready to print these. What we're going to want to do is flood them so that there is a good amount of ink in the screen, and then it should only take about 1 pass per color. And you're going to want to do that while it's still wet, so no going under a flash dryer, none of that. It's all going to stay wet and all be pulled off at once. Okay, so we have our scrap shirt set up here. We're going to do our first test print. We're going to start with yellow, of course. We're going to flood each screen, we're going to do a pass, and we'll see how it turns out. And there we have it. Beautiful picture. Just like it looks like on the computer. Take it off and this is our conveyor dryer. We picked this up on the internet as well. It's called the Vastex infrared focusing set heater height. You're gonna want to stop. So this is our Vastex D100 tabletop conveyor dryer. It is a very good quality dryer. It is a low-end dryer, so we did not pay that much for it. It runs anywhere from $1,100 to $1,300 depending on where you get it. We purchased ours on eBay, not straight from the supplier, but it works really well for what we're doing. It handles over 1,000 prints a week. Depending on what materials you're using, you may need to speed it up or raise or drop the heater height, but it can, pull through anywhere from 1 to 5 shirts in a minute, so it definitely keeps up with the workload. Alright, so that's it from Panetta Design Company. Our brief tutorial on CMYK printing was a success. Be sure to check us out online at panettadesign.com and have a wonderful evening.
Alright, so that's it from Panetta Design Company. We're going to get finishing this order. As you see, we finished up our CMYK print. We hope this video helped. If you have any questions, contact us directly at panettadesign.com. We'd love to answer any questions or concern you have. Check us out. Talk to you soon.